have you seen the title? We're going to be packing for my weekend trip at Falls Lake in North Carolina. First things first, we're going to pack up my toiletries. I'll be back when I have those. Alright, I've got my toiletries in there, as well as my light that I'm going to hang in my tent. And now I'm going to put my flashlight in there too. Now we're going to get my clothes into that bag. Boom. Now we're going to fill the rest of the bag up with that towel. Final thing, the blanket. Knock that one out. Now we're going to clip my tent on top. Alright, got the tent on. Now we're going to put my sleeping mat and my pillow into this bag. Alright, got them in there. Next, I'm going to put my hiking shoes in there. Now for the last thing. There we are, we're all packed up. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And I will be having more content soon.